week in Quick Tip Tuesday, I want to talk about window trims and how you achieve them. So this is what we're actually talking about. How you get this black frame around your window. First, we're going to tape the whole window with some painted tape. Then we're going to trim off the extra around the edges. And then we're going to use a compass. Well, I have a modified version here. I modified the side with the needle so it has the same angle like my pen. And be aware that the needle should be longer than the pen. Adjust to the width that we wish and simply follow the outside edge. Now we take a sharp hobby knife and simply follow the contours. Now we pull off the outside. Paint the whole glass black. After we did that, now we pull off the inside. And there you have your perfect trim. But this was the tip of this week.